versatile motion box ever created, bringing game-changing motion features to every stills and video producer. This is Capsule 360. Small enough to fit inside a pocket, Capsule 360's extensive capabilities defy its compact size. It can accurately pan, tilt, or slide any camera or smartphone. Capsule 360 automatically produces silky smooth motion footage, or that perfectly adjusted motion time-lapse. Capsule 360 offers advanced modes that utilize its combined 3-axis movement to capture stunning motion time-lapses with impressive effects, such as bulb ramping, interval ramping, HDR, and long exposure. Setup of Capsule 360s for multi-axis movement takes only seconds. Just mount several capsules together and start the app. Capsule 360 will instantly know whether units can pan, tilt, or slide. The Capsule 360 can track any selected object, including your face, always keeping it within view. Looking to shoot your next video but don't have an assistant close to hand? No problem. Just say hi to your phone and move. Capsule 360 will enable your camera to continue to follow you. Astrophotography has never been so easy. No matter where you are, Capsule 360 can position itself to lock onto stars millions of miles away automatically and track their movement across the skies with amazing accuracy. With the Turntable Kit, 360-degree product photography is now hassle-free. The Capsule 360's automated process will take perfect photos from every angle with your smartphone or camera, and no wires are needed. The Capsule Slider is the perfect companion for the Capsule 360. This rail's compact size and both manual and motorized operation modes make it portable and versatile. Capsule 360 attaches to it with a single push, pairing to provide all you need for refined motion time-lapse and video shoots. Capsule 360 can even learn motion paths from your manual movement. Just demonstrate them, and they can be repeated as many times as desired.
in the hand of a maker. This is a knife, a screwdriver, sandpaper, a chisel, a marker, anything you want. There's no project that doesn't need it. We just created the best way to carry it every day, everywhere. But it doesn't open bottles. If your finger is in the ring, it's like there's no locking mechanism at all. But there is. Yeah, it doesn't open bottles though. It's 100% waterproof. You can use it with any hand, in any condition. No limits, even in case of an emergency. Nope, it doesn't open bottles. It has perpendicular flat faces. A maker knows what that means. It can mark, cut, sand, shape, carve, almost anything. But it can't open a bottle. Not that you need it to.
In just the last 2 years, the number of people who reported suffering from stress and anxiety has increased by nearly 300%. Constantly moving, forever distracted, and always plugged in, we are not getting the proper rest and relaxation we desperately need. Introducing MoonPod, a high-density, zero-gravity beanbag engineered to morph and respond to your body, naturally relieving stress while providing ultimate comfort and relaxation. A beanbag completely re-engineered to deliver a full-body weightless experience. The weightless sensation MoonPod delivers is designed to mimic the therapeutic effects of flotation therapy, a powerful practice to help people who suffer from anxiety, ADHD, insomnia, PTSD, and depression. MoonPod eliminates all pressure points by evenly distributing your weight across its surface, actively targeting high-tension areas. Opening up these high-stress areas promotes proper breathing and circulation to increase relaxation while decreasing overall stress and anxiety levels. MoonPod morphs into 3 main positions. Sit in the center to use it like a chair, recline to lounge around and chill out, or lay down completely horizontally. And when you use it along with my weighted blanket, the experience is unlike anything you'll ever feel. This combination unlocks a seriously transcendent experience whenever you need it. And don't worry, it's super lightweight and designed to stand up on its own, making it easy to store away just about anywhere. So whether you're working hard, relaxing after a stressful day, or taking a power nap, MoonPod will quickly become your go-to solution for all-day relaxation.